I have to go. It's a secret. I'm not ready. I'm home. I'm leaving. That's fine. No problem. Let's go. Wait here. Come here. Where are you? I need help. I love you. Can I come in? Can you repeat? What time is it? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Thank you. Please help me. I'm sorry. I don't know. What's up? I'm good. See you later. Take care. Is not here. Come with me. I am busy right now. What do you want? I will be back soon. I need some rest. I will manage. It is not working. I forgot. What's going on? I will come later. Tell me the truth. It's not fair. I am ready. Don't lie. What is the matter? I don't have time. I am feeling better now. Don't disturb me. I am not sure. Where is he? Close the door. Open the book. Turn off the TV. Take this. Give me that. Move aside. Come inside. Come here. Go fast. Wait a minute. Speak slowly. Did you eat? What is for lunch? Switch off the fan. Close the door. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. What are you doing? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am busy right now. Send me the details. I have a lot of work to do. Did you eat? What is for lunch? Please give me some water. Where is my phone? Switch off the fan. Close the door.